It's whose fault?
Damn it, Jordan.
Alright, hey, it's recording, by the way.
Alright, this is AOL Sessions with...
Tootsie Pimp.
Who said that aloud?
Let's just keep going, there's no
Okay.
point, and we're not gonna get it right anyway. Alright, I'm EasyQ.
Cristiano.
And Keelan Asteria. What up? And this is the artistic abstraction of confusion.
That's what it is.
What it do? Alright, we're gonna
And
sing.
we're not playing a song we wrote.
This is
What-
our
what are
original
we
song.
singing?
This is Numb.
I think.
Why?
Maybe.
Who sings Numb?
We actually wrote this song, Linkin
Yeah.
Park borrowed it,
Yeah.
but we're taking it back.
Okay.
We're taking Porch Monkey back too.
Good one.
That's good.
Alright.
Alright, James.
Anyway.
Tootsie Pip.
Alright, hey.
Start with
Right.